Good morning, student. Today we are going to start first chapter, your first chapter, because in first year this is the subject of accounting. Are you saying accountancy? We are going to start with the accountancy in your commerce syllabus. Okay, you are taking the commerce. In this commerce, we will going to study three main subjects: accountancy, business and economics, and this subject is accountancy. Okay beta, so now today we are going to start first chapter of accountancy. Okay, in this first chapter we are going to just see the basic things of accountancy are from starting of that accountancy. Okay beta, from starting of that accountancy. In this accountancy, actually in economics we are study about the economics thing. In business we are study all the different type of business. But in this accounts we are going to study in the business transaction will done and on which way we are going to write this transaction in a systematic way, that we are going to see in accounting. Okay beta, in accountancy or accounting. Accountancy is the subject beta, okay, and accounting is the process. Okay, in this accountancy we are going to see the all transaction which is done in a business, how we are going to record that all transaction in accounting or in systematic way by the utilizing of the rules and regulation of accounting. Actually three main words is coming in accounting: one accountancy, second accounting, and third account. Actually accountancy is the subject. You can see on your top of book that word is accountancy. Accountancy is the subject in which all detail about the accounting is given, or different type of accounting is given, how to do the accounting. And accounting is the process in which we are going to take the all transaction of business and written a systematic way. Okay, and account, if we are going to ignore the account of bank, which opening a bank, talking about the terms of accounting, so accounts one pro forma we can use or we are using in our accounting. Okay beta, that is the account. Okay, three things is there: accountancy, accounts and accounting. The main thing is accounting. Accountancy is subject and accounting is the process. So now we are just going to start first topic: need of accounting. Need of accounting. Actually, what is the need of making the notes or written the things? The same need is coming for the accounting also, because everyone well known about that many type of transaction is going on in the day by day in a business. No one able to remember the all transactions. No one able to remember the all transaction in a mind. So we are going to written that all transaction in systematic way, by which we are going to take the needed information. That is main need for accounting, because this accounting is given one pro forma, one system to the person or businessman, by which they are easily entered all the transaction in systematic way, and by the utilizing of this system they can easily utilize all the information or all the different things which is needed for the business, or different information which is needed for the business. They can easily use. That is the need of accounting. By this accounting, we are just take the transaction of the business and write and utilize the accountancy rule and regulation, and then written the all things, all type of transaction, all type of system which is following in business needed for the accounting in a systematic way. Okay beta, this is the need of accounting. Now we are going for the meaning of accounting. What is the accounting? Actually accounting is the process only process in which we are just taking the all transaction written in the different book, and then summarize, classified and interpreted the data. Okay beta, in this accounting accounting, we are taking the transaction which is done in the business. Okay, beta, which is done in the business, and then that transaction written in journal, are you saying written in different book, and then summarized by the ledger, and then classified by taking the balance of ledger, and then interpreted the data, means trial balance sheet. Now you didn't know about the trial balance and balance sheet, that all things will coming in future. Okay, beta. So from here, meaning of accounting, the process. Accounting is the process in which we are taking the all transactions written in the different book, then summarized, classified, and interpreted the data. This is called accounting. Okay, beta? Clear? Next, feature of accounting. Now we are going to see feature of accounting. What feature in this accounting? What feature in this accounting? Okay, beta? In this system, we are going to study about the feature of accounting. Meaning of accounting is clear, beta? Meaning of accounting, need of accounting is clear. Need for written the different things in systematic way by which you are easily remember the things. Second, meaning of accounting. Meaning of accounting means accounting is the process in which we are taking all the transaction and written in systematic way, different book, then summarized, classified, and interpreted the data, are taking the information of different accounting. Okay, beta? Now we are going for the feature of accounting. Go for the first. Accounting is an art as well as science. Okay? Why we are going to say anything that is art or science? Sure and certain, some feature of this art and science is also available in that thing. So we are going to say that is the science or art. Okay, beta? That is the science or art. Clear? It means the feature of art and the feature of science both are available in the accounting. How? Science. Science is what? Science is the systematic body of knowledge. Okay, beta? Science is the systematic body of knowledge. I think you will know about the science. Science is the systematic body of knowledge. It means in this accounting this is also available. Okay, beta? Then in accounting we needed the knowledge about the systematic body of knowledge when we are going to use this accounting in our business, or follow the accounting, or work in accounting. For the work in accounting or doing the accounting, we needed the systematic body of knowledge of that accounting. Okay, beta? We needed. And the same feature of systematic body of knowledge is available in science and accounting both. So we are saying when is accounting is science. Second, art. Why we are saying the art? Art means art is the presentation or very good presentation or systematic presentation. We can say this is very good art. Okay, when you are going to make some art, if that art is not in present in good way or not in present in systematic way, you are saying that is not good art. And if you are seeing some art, just see and saying, wow, what a art. Okay, it means they are going to present in systematic way. That thing is presenting in systematic way. Okay, same way here, accounting is an art. Why we are saying accounting is an art? Why we are saying accounting is an art? Okay, because in accounting we are also presenting the all data, or we are also making the all type of account, journal, ledger, trial balance, depreciation account, financial statement, all in a systematic way. They have some pro forma, and you are going to present only in that system, or following by that system only. Okay, beta? Without the following of that system, you cannot present the things. It means they are presenting in systematic way. So we are saying accounting is an art as well as science. Okay, beta? Next, recording of financial transaction only. In the accounting, we are going to record only financial transaction, beta. Only financial transaction. We are not going to record other type of transaction. If there is no financial treatment, there is no financial transaction is there, then we are not going to record. If you are giving something to your brother, your friend, without that taking some money or without taking some against of that things, that is not the financial transaction. If you are doing some financial transaction, then that financial transaction we are entered in accounting. Otherwise, other transaction in which money is not available, in which financial transaction is not available, if you are doing some help, you are doing to give the things to other person, you are doing the social welfare, but that is not the financial transaction. If that is not the financial transaction, we are not going to enter that transaction in our accounting. Only we are going to take or record our financial transaction in accounting, beta. Okay, beta. Only this financial transaction we are going to record in accounting. Next, recording in terms of money. In the accounting, we are going to record all things, all entry, all ledger, PL, balance sheet, all things. In terms of money, we are not going to present the entry in terms of weight, in terms of unit. We are going to present all these things, all the items, all the ledger, debit, credit, trial balance, balance sheet in terms of money. Okay, beta? We are going to present like a 1,000, 10,000, 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh, 4 lakh. We are not going to present like 1 unit, 2 unit, 1 kg, 2 kg, 8 kg, 9 kg. Not like that. We are going to present in terms of money only. It means that presentation in terms of money. 1,000 unit, 3,000, 5,000, 8,000, 9,000. In terms of money only. Okay, beta? Next, classifying. In this accounting, we are going to classify the all head, because many type of accounting is coming, accounts is coming in a business, many type of account is coming in accounting. So we are going to classify these different account or different things. As like that, if cash account is there, then cash account, RAM account, Mahesh account, purchase account, sell account. Okay, and then all the entry which is related with this account, we are going to transfer in that account. That is called ledger, beta. That will come in future, don't worry. That is ledger. Only remember the name. How to make the all things, I will explain in future, don't worry. Okay, beta, then that chapter will come, then I will explain, don't worry. Okay, classifying. So that time they are going to classify, we are going to classify the all account, all different type of account, all different type of things, different. Okay, beta? Then summarize. After the making of ledger, in ledger we are going to classify all the things. After the making of different ledger, we are going to take the balance of that ledger, and that is called summarization or summarizing. Okay, beta? Just take the balance. One amount is coming, balancing amount, sell balance, sales account balance, Ravi account balance, Mahesh account balance. Okay, like that. Taking the balance, and that balance is called summarizing. That balance is called summarizing. Okay, beta? Clear? Then interpreted of the result. Interpreted of the result. Interpreted of the result. Okay. Then after the making of this ledger, we are going to interpret of the result. It means going to make the trial balance. That trial balance. By the making of this trial balance, we can easily know about the things, what thing is there, what type of problem is there, mathematical part, problem, or any numerical problem, totaling problem, transferring problem. So that problem is easily find out by the trial balance. Okay, that is making in the interpretation of data or interpretation of result. Okay, then we are going to make the trial balance, trading, PL and balance sheet. In that trading, PL and balance sheet, in trading we are going to know about the gross profit. Then in PL, net profit. Then balance sheet, we are going to present the all assets and liability and take the equal, because balance sheet is the statement in which we are going to present financial position of any business. Financial position of any business. Okay, beta. Then last, communicating. After the taking these type of result, it's the information about the business. Then the accountant try to communicate these all information to his head or manager or owner or the other person. They needed these type of information. Okay, beta. They needed these type of information. Okay, these type of information. Who is needed this type of information? Okay, who is needed these type of information? Who is needed these type of information? They try to give the information of that type of person, because all the owner, all the manager, they needed these type of information. Okay, beta. These all about the need of accounting, then meaning of accounting, then future of accounting, then future of accounting. First, accounting is an art as well as science. Then recording of financial transaction only. Next, recording in terms of money. Next, classifying. Next, summarizing. Next, interpreted of the result. Last is communicating. Okay, beta? Okay? Clear about that? Clear or not? These all clear? Tell me the thing, beta. Just if any type of problem is there, so just send me the in that video, send me the comment if you are feeling the problem of this type of things or this heading or that heading. Okay, beta? Give me the comment of that. Okay? Now I am going for the next, that is the accounting cycle. Next is the accounting cycle. In this accounting cycle, why we are saying that a cycle? I think well known. If the same thing is repeating one by one, then you are saying that is cycle. Here same. Transaction, journal, ledger, trial balance, trading P&L and balance sheet, then again transaction. Okay? It means in every business, they are going to start with the transaction. They are going to start the selling and purchasing. So first we are entered in the accounting these transactions. In accounting cycle, first we are taking these transactions that we are going to enter in our journal book. Okay, beta? That will enter in our journal book. Then ledger. After the transaction, we are transfer the all transaction is this journal book. Okay, beta? That selling, purchasing, these are all type of transaction we are going to present or entered in journal with the following of different rule. Okay, beta? With the following of different rule. Clear? First, transaction done in the business, selling, purchasing of goods and servicing. Okay, goods and services. Then journal. Okay, beta? Then journal. After that, making of this journal. Okay, making of this journal, we are going for the ledger. Okay, we are going to transfer the different account. We are going to open the different account in ledger. Sell account, purchase account, Ramesh, Manish, Dinesh account, wages account, machinery account, assets account. Okay, and transfer the all account which is related with this ledger. After the making of ledger, we are going to take the balance of that ledger, and by the taking the balance of this ledger, we are going to make the trial balance. Trial balance is the statement by which we are knowing the mathematical fault or arithmetical fault of the business. Okay, beta? Two side is there. In this two side, we are going to present the all amount, all account, and then all amount, debit and credit, and with both sides will equal, then okay, no problem. If no equal or problem in equaling, then we are going to search the problem. Okay. After the making of this trial balance, we are going to make the trading PL and balance sheet. First, we are going to make the trading of the balance of all account which is coming in trial balance. Then PL, profit and loss account, trial balance. Then PL, profit and loss account. Then balance sheet. What is the trial balance? Trial balance is the account by which we are knowing the gross profit. Which profit beta? Gross profit. And the PL is the account by which we are knowing the net profit. Okay beta? Net profit, they have two sides. Don't worry, it will come, then I will explain. Okay? Net profit. After the balance sheet, in this balance sheet we are present all the assets and liability. Okay, and this balance sheet is presenting the financial position of every business. Okay, after the balance sheet, close the account. That year is finished. Okay, that year is finished, and then we are going to make again transaction. Okay, transaction. This is called accounting cycle, because transaction, then journal, then ledger, then trial balance, then trading, PL and balance sheet, and again transaction. So we are going to say this is the accounting cycle. Okay beta? Clear about that? Any problems there, so just comment in video, then I will see and again try to explain you. Okay? Clear? Thank you.